Okay, so we have another Zoom happy hour coming up. Now for today, we're gonna do a different quarantini. This one we're gonna do I think we'll do a Lavender Drop Quarantini today. So for that, everybody needs to grab a lemon. And you know, we're weeks into this self-quarantine now, so we do have to think a little bit about presentation. And so since it's a lavender lemon, there's a lavender drop. We need a little sprig of lavender. Now you can skip this step. This is purely for presentation, but presentation is important. So take a little lemon, cut that dude up, get a little wedge going like that, and then because I know everybody just has lots of martini glasses sitting around, so you take a martini glass, give a little rub on this bad boy like that.
Down, and another rub like that bad boy. So a lemon. And then all you do is take some sugar and decorate this sucker right here with some sugar, just a little bit. And then you can just take your cup and give a nice little.
How do you do it?
Sugary coat. That's exactly how you do it.
I did not know that's how you make that.
That's exactly how you do it.
Alright, cool.
So now we're ready to do our main drink mixing. We need some vodka. We need some kind of orange liqueur. So again, I like my Citronge from Patron, a little tequila based one, but you could have just a regular triple sec, that could work too. And then some simple syrup, and I like this, for this one, this lavender syrup is very nice, so this lavender guy we'll be using. And then you could use something else. I suppose you could use a lemon vodka for this, but what we have right here is a very own, made with our very own trees from our very own backyards by crazy Scots neighbors. The Scots people like to make alcohol. So anyway, so we'll use this as part of our lemon. And then, of course, we have, this is what we already juiced up from our previous bout of Corona Aid, but this is just pureed lemon. And so we're gonna use this lemon. You could also use fresh lemon juice, but I like the pulpy stuff. Nobody else in my house likes the pulpy stuff, but I like it, so I'm gonna use it, so that's good. Okay. Okay, so now again, Phelan, we have our neighbor right over there. Maybe he would like a Lavender Drop Quarantini. And so maybe want to make one for him, but I don't want to get too close. So again, we always need to practice social distancing. So just on my run now, I have to use my buff to make sure that I'm not breathing on anybody. And so you know, got to get everything ready. So let's get this guy going first. Oh man, I need to be more limber. Oh, wow, man, I put my shoe on pretty fast there. That's pretty good. Okay, now, so when we make our drink here, I have just a simple cocktail shaker with some ice in here. And so all we really need to do is put it, you can put stuff directly in here. We're gonna shake it up and pour it out. So our first thing, we're gonna do 4 ounces of vodka.
We're going to do 2 of our Lemoncello. And if you don't know, Lemoncello is basically vodka and lemons mixed up, basically. It's basically a lot of vodka. Yeah. Okay. Then we're going to do a little bit of our triple sec or orange liqueur, whichever you prefer. And then an ounce of our lavender syrup. All right, cool. And then we're just going to come in and do about a tablespoon or so.
I like a little more. So
We'll do a tablespoon of our pulp, as it were. This is our lemon stuff, so all good right there. So now,
and again, like I said last week, with the lemon stuff, with the lemon pulp, you guys can just make it fresh, or you can make it fresh and then throw it in the freezer or refrigerator to chill it for a little bit.
so just put our rabbit hat on there and shake it. That'll be 30 seconds. Oh, there's a little bit spilling. A lot of shaking.
Jeez, it's on your shoe too.
There we go. Okay, so then we just take this bad boy and we go back to our pre-sugared martini glasses. A little bit there. Hold on a second.
And there. That needs a little more. That needs a little more.
And then all you gotta do is garnish with a little bit of a little sprig of the lavender that we have, and make this guy a little something Something like that.
Oh.
Yeah, oops. See, it's all good. Life is good. And you can take your lemon and create a nice little booyah right there. And here you have a lavender drop quarantini to take away. Oh, I almost forgot. Now I just got back from my run. So some of us have been sitting on the couch saving lives. Others of us have been trying to exercise, and for those of us that are exercising a little bit, maybe you're a little sore. You need some vitamin I, what we call ibuprofen. So you can just do a little, little ibuprofen in there to take off some of the pain. And so there you go. Ready for your Zoom happy hour. Everybody should try one.
But how are you gonna drink it if you're wearing a mask?
You have to drink it. You have to go like this, and then you have to get rid of this thing entirely and drink.
So you gotta take a little bit of risk.
I'm not scared at all. I'm not scared at all.